All right, let's dive into a question that pretty much every aspiring Linux user asks. People ask this all the time, but what if it's actually the wrong question? See, the real challenge isn't finding the best OS, it's finding the best one for you. This endless search even has a name, distro hopping, and it can get pretty frustrating. So how do you break the cycle? Let's check out one user's year-long journey to figure it out. His journey started with a simple goal: find an OS with way more freedom and customization.
He tried a bunch of popular Debian-based systems, but yeah, none of them felt quite right.
A common problem started popping up. A lot of the desktop environments just felt kind of dated. But his quest didn't stop there. His next goal was to bring some old, slow laptops back to life. This led to even more distro hopping, sometimes testing a totally new, lightweight OS every single day. But with this older hardware, one huge problem kept showing up: getting the Wi-Fi drivers to work. Through all those issues, though, one distro was a clear winner for supporting really old machines. This whole experience led to a major breakthrough. The idea of one perfect distro is a myth. So the solution wasn't to keep searching, but to define his own specific needs first. He did this with a simple framework, just listing out exactly what he wanted and what he didn't. This framework acts like a powerful filter, cutting right through the hundreds of choices out there. And with this new clarity, his forever distro all of a sudden became totally obvious. Let's break it down. His needs for a modern UI and stability pointed directly to one specific solution. And that answer was Ubuntu. It was just the perfect match for everything on his list. With that foundation in place, he could finally stop hopping and just start building his ideal desktop. So here's the key takeaway. You've got to define your priorities before you start looking around. So now that you have the framework, how are you going to define your perfect Linux OS?